Hey food adventurers, today, we're diving into the tangy, salty, and oh so unique world of pickled herring, a beloved staple across Europe. From Scandinavia to Eastern Europe, this dish has been enjoyed for centuries, but did you know there's more to pickled herring than meets the eye? Stick around for some surprising facts about this iconic dish. Pickled herring isn't just a food, it's a tradition steeped in history and culture. In Northern Europe, especially in countries like Sweden, the Netherlands, and Poland, it's a symbol of coastal life and resilience. The practice of pickling herring dates back over 1,000 years, originating as a way to preserve this abundant fish before refrigeration existed. Herring was once known as the silver of the sea, due to its shimmering scales and economic importance. Entire towns in Europe were built around the herring trade, making it a cornerstone of maritime history. Pickled herring played a key role in the rise of the Dutch Golden Age. The Dutch perfected the art of gibbing, a method of gutting and salting herring that allowed for long-term preservation. This innovation helped them dominate the herring trade in the 17th century. Pickled herring is versatile and enjoyed in so many ways across Europe. In Sweden, it's a must-have at midsummer celebrations, often paired with boiled potatoes and sour cream. In Poland, you'll find it on holiday tables served with onions and pickles. And in the Netherlands, it's eaten straight from the barrel, often with a sprinkle of raw onions. Each region adds its own twist to this classic dish. The flavors of pickled herring vary depending on the brine. Some are sweetened with sugar, others spiced with bay leaves, mustard seeds, or peppercorns. Did you know pickled herring isn't just delicious but also incredibly nutritious? There's even a creamy version popular in Scandinavia, made with a tangy mustard sauce. It's packed with omega-3 fatty acids, which are great for heart health, and it's a good source of vitamin D. No wonder it's a staple in countries with long, dark winters. Here's a surprising myth to bust. Some people think eating pickled herring is an acquired taste, but the mild, tangy flavor actually makes it approachable for many first-timers. If you're hesitant, try it with crackers or a slice of rye bread. It's a game changer. Across Europe, herring is celebrated with festivals. In the Netherlands, Vliegetjesdag marks the arrival of the new herring season, where fresh herring is eaten raw. And in Sweden, the Surströmming festival celebrates fermented herring, a pungent but beloved delicacy. Did you know that pickled herring has been mentioned in European literature as far back as the Middle Ages? It even appears in ancient Norse sagas, highlighting its role in Viking diets. Talk about a dish with legendary status. While pickled herring is deeply traditional, modern chefs are giving it a creative twist. Think herring tacos, sushi-inspired rolls, and even herring-topped pizzas. These innovations prove that this humble fish is anything but boring. If you've never tried pickled herring before, start small. Go for the sweeter, milder versions or pair it with familiar flavors like cream cheese or apples. Trust me, it's worth exploring. Herring isn't just delicious, It's also one of the more sustainable seafood options. Herring stocks in the North Atlantic are carefully managed, and the fish reproduce quickly, making them an environmentally friendly choice compared to overfished species like tuna or cod. Here's a fascinating fact: pickled herring has even influenced art and culture. During the Dutch Golden Age, herring became a recurring theme in still life paintings, symbolizing prosperity and maritime success. It's amazing how something as humble as a fish could hold so much cultural weight. Did you know that herring recipes have traveled the world? Jewish immigrants from Eastern Europe brought pickled herring to the United States, where it became a popular deli food in cities like New York. It's often served with bagels or in creamy salads. During World War II, pickled herring was a vital food source in Europe, providing essential nutrients in a time of scarcity. Its long shelf life and high nutritional value made it a lifesaver for many families. Here's a fun fact backed by science: eating herring can boost your brain power. The omega-3 fatty acids in herring are known to support cognitive health and memory, making it a smart snack, literally. In Viking times, herring was considered a staple of the seafarer's diet. Archaeological finds suggest that Vikings carried barrels of pickled fish on long voyages, ensuring they had a durable and nutritious food source. Pickled herring isn't just food, it's a taste of history, culture, and creativity. Whether you're a seasoned fan or a curious first-timer, this European classic has something to offer everyone. So why not give it a try? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more culinary adventures.